the secrets behind the Great Pyramid of Giza's design. It rises from the desert like a silent sentinel, a structure so massive, so precise, and so ancient that even today it defies explanation. The Great Pyramid of Giza. No blueprints, no records, no inscriptions on the walls revealing who built it or why, and yet it has stood for over 4,500 years, unshaken by time. Was it merely a tomb for a pharaoh? Or could it be something far more mysterious? A cosmic machine, a symbol of sacred knowledge, or a message encoded in stone meant for us? In this episode, we journey beyond textbook history into the mathematical, astronomical, and spiritual secrets behind the greatest wonder of the ancient world. Because the Great Pyramid was never just a pile of rocks. It was designed for something, and that secret might still be waiting to be unlocked. 1. The impossible precision. The Great Pyramid is aligned to true north with an accuracy of less than 0.05 degrees, a feat that even modern compasses struggle to match. Its base is a perfect square, each side measuring 230.4 meters, varying by just a few centimeters. And the structure itself? Made from over 2.3 million limestone and granite blocks, some weighing up to 80 tons. Placed with almost impossible accuracy. There's no mortar, no steel, just balance, geometry, and something more. How did ancient builders with copper tools and wooden sleds achieve such perfection? Or did they know something we don't? 2. Encoded in sacred math. The dimensions of the pyramid aren't random. In fact, they're mathematical poetry. The ratio of the pyramid's height to its base perimeter mirrors pi, the mathematical constant used in circles. Multiply its height by 43,200, and you get the polar radius of Earth. Multiply its perimeter by 43,200, and you get the equatorial circumference of the Earth. These numbers are not just coincidences. They suggest that the builders had advanced knowledge of the Earth's shape and size, long before modern science discovered it. But how? Who taught them this? 3. A power plant or stargate. Some researchers believe the pyramid wasn't just a tomb, but a machine. A geometric generator harnessing Earth's energy. Its chambers, shafts, and materials, especially the use of granite with quartz crystals, seem more suited for resonance and vibration than burial. The king's chamber is built entirely of granite, and when exposed to certain frequencies, it vibrates. Was it a power plant, a frequency amplifier, or a tool for consciousness, designed to awaken something within the human mind? Even more intriguing, some believe the Great Pyramid was aligned to Orion's belt, and the shafts point directly to key stars in the sky during specific times in history. Could it be that the pyramid wasn't just a monument to the gods, but a gateway to them? 4. The builders. Who were they really? Mainstream archaeology says the pyramid was built by Pharaoh Khufu around 2560 BC. But the deeper you look, the less that story holds. There are no definitive hieroglyphs inside, no murals of construction, no bodies. In fact, the only mark linking it to Khufu is a disputed red paint inscription found inside a hidden chamber, discovered under questionable circumstances. So who really built it? Was it the ancient Egyptians? Or was it a legacy structure, inherited from a civilization long lost? The Sphinx, just meters away, shows signs of water erosion, suggesting it may be thousands of years older than the pyramid. Is it possible the Great Pyramid predates recorded history? That it was not a tomb, but a library in stone, left behind by those who understood the stars, energy, and the soul? 5. Esoteric and spiritual significance. To the ancient initiates and mystery schools, the pyramid represented the journey of the soul. Each chamber, each angle, each shaft symbolized spiritual transformation, the descending passage, the soul's descent into matter, the queen's chamber, the purification of the self, the king's chamber, union with the divine. Freemasons, alchemists, mystics, all revered the pyramid as more than a monument. They saw it as a map of ascension, a symbol of balance between heaven and earth, spirit and body, light and darkness. What if its true purpose was to awaken the hidden potential within us? The Great Pyramid of Giza is not just stone stacked upon stone. It's a message, a mystery, a monument carved by hands long forgotten, with knowledge we barely understand. It reminds us that history may not be a straight line, that perhaps, once, long ago, humanity knew more about the cosmos, more about consciousness, more about our place in the universe. And as we stare at this silent giant in the desert, we're not just looking at the past, we're looking at ourselves and what we're still meant to become. What do you think the Great Pyramid was really built for? Was it a tomb, a power source, a sacred temple, or something beyond imagination? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're drawn to ancient mysteries, lost civilizations, and the secrets history tried to forget, subscribe to Secrets Beyond Time, because the past is never really gone. It's buried in plain sight, waiting